Hey, what's up, it's Screw here, and we're gonna do the church, the rest of the church, and while you guys were here, I dug up this part, and I just put some more wood, and I took this part off, and we're gonna start making this. Okay. Oh, dang. Okay, never mind. We're good. Stop duplicating. Okay. On the next episode, we're gonna build my farm, or this one. I'm almost done. Okay, we have more stone, I think. Never mind, we're gonna make a storage room out of furnaces. And if you're wondering why did I put an extra block, you'll see. Oh, I'm gonna run out before I even finish. That sucks. No, we don't want an extra block on top. Okay, come over here. We'll fix the church later with windows, more windows. Okay, let's take these two off, because now that's not the middle anymore. Okay. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, and it's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The middle is right here. Right there. We don't have 8? What? What? Like that. Boom, boom. Okay, that's good. That's good. We're gonna take the long way home. Okay, we're gonna make. We will finish the church later. Right now, we're gonna take the long way home. Please don't kill me. Oh yeah, there's that stupid house over there. That weird house. Let's go check it out again. Never mind. We're gonna go home and rest. And the restiness of the nightiness. Oh ho ho, okay, leave my sheep alone. Okay. It's gonna take a long time, so just gonna get out of my way. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, spider! No! So! And the bone man. Bone man, that's our true grew. Oh, wait, I didn't plant that. Never mind, that was already there. Okay, dude. Dude. Let's start our storage room right here. 1, 2, 3. Right here and on. Shut up, Daniela. Right there. Okay, grab all this rock. Thingamajigger. And let's go. Yes, we have 16. And how am I gonna make it? I have only 3 right now. You'll see. I have one on me, but wait. No. One of those is mine. I need him. I need it. Not need him. Let's go up there and get a lot of cobblestone. Maybe thumbs up for the new thingamajig I'm gonna make. Thumbs up. Okay, dude, we're gonna chop up this stuff, dude. Let's get this. No. There, and the torch. We're gonna get a whole bunch of whole bunch of cobblestone. Wash. Okay, we have enough cobblestone for now. Now let's leave. Oh, almost got him. Oh. Okay, I'm going back inside. Stop lagging. Let's close this before something comes inside. Okay, we're gonna make a whole bunch of furnaces. 6 furnaces. Okay, dude. This sucks. Okay, let's dig here. Like this. Give me that cobblestone. Give me this. Oh, cover that up. And like this. Make some more furnaces. No. Let's take that away. Furnaces. One right there. One right there. And one right here. And we need more. Oh, this is boring. We're just gonna grab 10. the technique I always used to get diamonds and what's the name of this? Diamonds, gold. I haven't gotten gold yet. Is I dig straight down. Oh, we don't need it. Where's that thing I got by accident? Here it is. I don't need this. Let's go back inside. Give me that. Before I leave. Okay. Like that. That's our new storage room. One furnace for me. There. And let's start storing some stuff. I'm gonna store this sand. Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna store this. Store. Let's store all of it. Right there. Too cool. And right here. Is that enough? And you know what? We're gonna start working on our mushroom farm. Where did I put that stupid thing? Here it is. Let's go. Let's not pick that up. Our mushroom farm is gonna be... Where's it gonna be? Okay, we're gonna need a shovel for this kind of special work. We're gonna make it over here. Oh yeah, I fixed the mob spawner. I took this off. Looks uglier, but it works now. Watch. Zombie. They all died. I'm right here. Okay, never mind. Let's make our mushroom farm. Let's make it here. We're gonna need some dirt to even up the place to make it flat. Get out of my way. Okay, and let's fence it up. Like this. Let's take this off. Okay, is it too small? No, it's okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, boom. Okay, let's take that off. Let's make this even up here. And let's put one torch here. At least 1, 2. 2. There. Okay, we're gonna make fence gate. And we can't, because we need this.